Typically, there's several causes to dark circles under the eyes. The first one is hyperpigmentation of the skin. Certain people are born with a little more pigmentation in the area under the eyelids, thus they appear to have dark circles. If this is the situation with a particular patient, we recommend one of many different processes. For example, the pens and peels process that we offer here that does get rid of that skin pigmentation. Other times, the dark circle under the eyes is due to a shadow that forms as the fat from around the eye begins to bulge forward and the cheek tissues begin to descend in a downward direction due to gravity. And the solution to this can be complex, but essentially what we try to do to solve this volume issue is we try to remove some of the volume from the eyelid fat, and then we try to add a little bit of volume into that hollow area so that there is a nice smooth transition between the cheek and the lower eyelid. Of course, there's many different types of pigmentation. Sometimes the pigmentation is due to increased vascularity in the area around the eyelid, and if this is the case, I typically perform a laser procedure in that area to improve the shading or the coloring of the skin. So there's many different problems that can occur under the eyes with many different solutions.